Hello and welcome to today's lecture on how to learn about patients' needs using design thinking and how it can drive forward innovations in medical setting. My name is Branka Bernard. I'm a molecular biologist and CEO of Fabula Movens, a company developing innovations in education. Design thinking is a human-centered approach to problem solving. It has been successfully used in businesses, education, and healthcare. Design thinking is often used to create innovative solutions to complex problems. Let us look at the process more closely. When we follow this methodology, we go through 5 stages of design thinking process. First, we empathize. This stage involves understanding the user's needs and motivations. It can be done through interviews, observations, and service. Once we got a detailed view of users' needs, we will define the problem that we will try to solve. In many success stories using design thinking, one surprising thing happened. During the interviews, it became clear that the problem that initiated the intervention was not the one the majority of participants, or for us patients, wanted to solve. So take your time to find out about the true needs of those you wish to help. Very often, perspective of the healthcare worker and the patients vary considerably. What we learned about active listening and empathy is crucial for creating needed and successful innovations as well. Next comes the stage that involves generating ideas for solutions to the problem. This can be done through brainstorming, mind mapping, and other creative exercises. In this phase, we go through a divergent phase when we will think of all possible solutions to the problem we identified. After that, we select the solutions that are best suited for our desired outcome. This is called a convergent phase. In the prototyping phase, we create a prototype of the solution. This can be a physical or a digital prototype. Prototype is used then to test the solution with users and get feedback. This brings us to another distinct characteristics of design thinking, and that is generating draft versions and getting feedback about that draft. And so we quickly come to a testing phase. Feedback allows us to perhaps choose one of the drafts as the most promising and then refine the solution. We say that design thinking is a non-linear process. It allows us to get feedback fast and avoid creating something that seems perfect to us, but no one will use. Remember, design thinking is the user-centered approach. If we want to support the patients with innovation, then it's patient-centered. It can also be centered on healthcare professionals like yourselves, finding the innovation that will make your work life better, more pleasant, and more efficient. Design thinking has been used to improve the patient experience in a number of ways. For example, it has been used to develop patient-friendly websites and apps, to create more comfortable and welcoming waiting rooms, and to improve the way the patients are informed about their care. Studies show that hospitals that use design thinking to improve the patient experience have lower patient wait times, higher patient satisfaction scores, and lower costs. For instance, design thinking was used to develop a new program that helps patients to better understand their care. The program includes educational materials, videos, one-on-one conversations with nurses. Patients who have participated in the program have reported that they feel more informed about their care and that they are more confident in their ability to manage their health. And this is the basis of participatory medicine. Design thinking is more than just a process. It is a mindset that prioritizes empathy, iteration, and collaboration. In healthcare, we need this mindset more than ever. We need to think beyond the status quo, beyond the constraints of tradition, and beyond the limits of our current solutions. We need to think like designers, problem solvers, and innovators, because the challenges we face in healthcare are complex, multifaceted, and ever-evolving. So let us embrace design thinking in healthcare. Let us think differently, think boldly, and think creatively. Let us design together a healthier future for all.